Hey second graders, welcome back to Phonics. Today we're going to be reviewing the oi as in oink other vowel phoneme. Let's quickly review what it looks like to make that oi as in oink symbol. Watch the screen.
Let's quickly review the other vowel phoneme oi and movement. The phoneme oi is the first phoneme we hear in the word oink. For the movement, press upward on the end of your nose to flatten it like a pig's nose while saying oi, oi. Remember, you can use the posters to check if a vowel phoneme is short, long, R-controlled, or other.
So, we know this is our other vowel phonemes. Today we're going to be focusing on oi as in oink. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you a word. So this first word is say. We used to do this in class a lot where I would give you a word and we'd say say. Let's stretch it. Say. S. A. Say. Two phonemes. My vowel phoneme is A as in A. So it's got that long A vowel phoneme. A lot of times we don't see it when we're doing it in class, but this one's going to be a little different. So we're going to change the vowel phoneme in say to oi as in oink. Oi as in oink. So we know that the vowel is this AY. We want to change it to say that oi as in oink. Remember, it doesn't always spell OI. It's spelled in different ways, like OY. So, oi. Let's change it. It should look like this. Oi. Soy. That's our new word. Try these next ones with me. I'm not going to write these next ones out. I'm going to just say it. Okay? The word is bowl. Everyone stretch it with me. Bowl. B-O-L. Bowl. There are three phonemes, and my vowel phoneme is O. O as in O. It's a long O. I want you to change the long O to the oi. What do you get? B-oi-ol. Boil. Great, like boiling water. Let's do the next one. T-oi-ol. T-oi-ol. Toil. Toil, it means like to work hard. I'm toiling over this. So we have the three phonemes. My vowel phoneme is oi as in oink. I want you to change it to the short E, which makes the eh sound. So let's stretch it. T-e-l. Tell. The new word is tell. Let's try. M-oo-n. Moon. M-oo-n. Moon. Three phonemes. My vowel phoneme is the one in the middle, and it makes that ooh as in ooze, right? Oh no, we go like this. We go ooh. No. We go like this. Ooh as in ooze, like we're dripping slime out of our hands. So we gotta change that ooh as in ooze to a long O. So let's try. M-O-N. Moan. Moan. I'm a moaning person. Next word. K-or-n. Corn. I know corn. Change the R-controlled or, like fork, into oi as an oink. Let's try it. K-oi-n. Coin. Like a coin. Next one. The word is chart. Ch-R-T. Chart. That middle phoneme is that R-controlled A that makes our R as in barn sound. Change R as in barn to that long E, right? That long E that says E. Let's try it. Ch-E-T. Cheat. Hey! You guys better not be cheating. No cheating on your test, says Broby. Broby says don't cheat. No cheating. No cheating. Okay. I'm going to have some words for you guys. I'm going to write down the letters. I'm going to write down the word. And then you need to make sure you listen to the audio recording. The audio recording is going to be inside of Seesaw. I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to write it down too, what to change the vowel phoneme to. And your job is to record yourself, either video or audio, changing those original words into the new words. Sound good? Good luck.